Bright tomatoes, lots of herbs, super creamy cheese, slam dunk. It tastes like summer. Hi, welcome to Chicago Magazine's In the Kitchen. Today we are making an heirloom tomato salad from Chef Danny Grant at Etta, and brace yourselves, there's a cheese surprise. We have 2 ears of corn here that we already grilled on our outdoor grill that definitely exists, and we definitely have. We've let it set for 5 minutes, salted it, and now we're gonna cut the kernels off in this cool way where you kind of cut off the bottom so it lays flat, slice down the side, and watch. Wow, magic, they just all fall off. Okay, I have poor knife skills, as we have established over the course of every video. Then we are going to mix in our vegetables. Got about a pound of heirloom cherry tomatoes. Pop those in there. Ribbons that we've cut from 1 small zucchini. We just used a vegetable peeler to do this. Got 2 tablespoons of white balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna mix that all together. We're gonna add in some mint that we've chopped up and some basil that we've torn up, about 12 leaves of each. And then fold those in nice and gentle. Now to serve. Start by gooping on a whole bunch of the Stracciatella cheese. It's similar to like what you would find inside of burrata, essentially. Like if you squeezed a whole bunch of burrata and this would come out of it. So we've got about 2 cups of that here. Lay it on nice and thick on this platter. Spread it to the edges, just about. All right, we've got our beautiful dairy base. It's time to top it with our salad. Hide it like a cheese surprise underneath all this salad. Okay, it's not gonna be like that much of a surprise. Maybe if you just like looked at the plate really fast, you wouldn't see the cheese. And then you'd be like, oh wait, surprise. Now I'm surprising myself. Okay, here we go. Season it to taste with some salt and some fresh pepper. To finish it off, just gonna sprinkle some arugula on top. I guess with the arugula, you can finally hide all the cheese. Now it's a true cheese surprise. No one will ever know. And then you're ready to serve. All right, so it's ready to go. Perfect for a summer backyard party with friends, which is definitely what I'm doing here. This is all for me, is what I'm saying. Oh man. It tastes like summer. It was like straight up, it's just summer. Bright tomatoes, lots of herbs, super creamy cheese, slam dunk, super easy for all of your summer entertaining needs, or if you're just entertaining yourself at home with a giant platter of cheese and vegetables.